welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here with me today. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious southern style fried cabbage. So here I have one small cabbage chopped, and I'll be using some Cajun andouille sausage. I have some onions, thyme, bell peppers, some garlic. I'll be using some creole seasoning, seasoned salt, garlic and onion powder, bouillon, black pepper, paprika, and some vinegar. So here to my preheated skillet, I added my sausage. You want to cook until nice and brown, then remove it, and we will carry on with the next step. Next, I'll be using some beef fat. This is the fat from when I made my bone broth. You can use bacon grease or butter if you like. Then I will go in with my aromatics, mix well, and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we will add our cabbage, sit the lid on and allow it to wilt a bit so it can become easier to manage, or easier for us to toss it. So at this point, you want to add the seasoning as well as the apple cider vinegar. We will give everything a good toss. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to your own preference. Once everything is tossed nicely and well combined, we'll sit the lid on and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat until everything is nice and tender. Lastly, we'll go in with our sausage, give it a good mix, let it simmer for another 5 minutes, and then we'll be ready to serve. And this is basically it, guys. Our southern style fried cabbage is all done. Now let me plate this up and show you all the finished product. And here you have it, my version of southern style fried cabbage. I did pair this up with some oxtail, split peas rice, and sweet ripe plantains. It was absolutely amazing, and I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support. And as always, enjoy!